In this example, composed of three elements, we have to determine if the given equation is quadratic, and if it is, we have to find the values of a, b, and c. First, important thing to remember is that we need to change the quadratic equation into standard form, and the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where this is our quadratic term, our linear term, and our constant. So for number letter A, we need just to follow the same, we need to transform it into the same format. So we have 3x squared plus 2x. We can transpose 9 to the other side. It changes its sign. It becomes negative 9. And then here we are left with 0. Okay, one way to look at it is to add negative 9 on both sides, because if we add negative 9 to 9, we'll have 0 on the right side. And then now it is already in this format, so we need to identify our a, which is the coefficient of our quadratic term, 3, and then b is equal to 2, and the constant is negative 9. Okay, let's do letter b. Letter b is expressed in factored form. I mean, the left hand side is in factored form, so we need to expand it. Why do we have to do that? Because we need to express it in three terms, ax squared plus bx plus c. So letter b, x minus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 3 equals 7. By FOIL method, x times 2x is 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared. This is negative 10x and 3x. So we have adding negative 10x and 3x, you have negative 7x. Then we do our last term. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Now we transpose 7 to the left side. That becomes negative 7. Now we have only 0 here. Okay, again, a way to look at it is to add the additive inverse of 7. Adding negative 7 on both sides, leave us 0 on the right hand side. And then we can combine terms which are similar. 2x squared minus 7x minus 22 equals 0. Therefore, our a equals 2, our b equals negative 7, and c is the constant negative 22. Okay, so far we have letters A and B, quadratic equations. Let's try the last one. Okay, 2x squared minus 15 is equal to, let's try to distribute this. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 7x is 14x. Okay, and then we need to put everything on the left side. So if we put this on the other side, it becomes negative 2x squared. Okay, we are not changing this. Negative 15 is still negative 15. But we need to put this on the other side. So it becomes negative 14x. Again, we are now left with nothing on the right side because everything has been transported to the other side. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. We don't need to write 0x squared. It's simply 0. And then we have only two terms left, which we can arrange according to the order. Negative 14x minus 15 equals 0. This is not a linear function, a linear equation. I mean, this is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. So you don't need to identify the values of A, B, and C.